Hello there and welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I will be going over how to log into Kaplan University in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is of course head over to your favorite browser and search for Kaplan University login. And well, we should see some interesting results, but this is the one I'm interested in right here. I'll just click on it and it should take me to the sign in page. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, Kaplan is a leading global provider of educational programs with comprehensive learning strategies and of course courses that help anyone succeed. Now with that said, if you have an account and you've been struggling on how to get logged in or signed into your account, then don't worry, because this is how it's done. So all you have to do is head over to home.kaplanlearn.com/login and you will be directed to this page. All you have to do is click on this, and well, for some reason most computers might throw an error on this particular screen. You do need to enable JavaScript on your browser because of course the site does use JavaScript for some reasons. Yeah, so outside of that, this is the login page, and all you have to do on this screen is to input your email address over here, or your username and your password over here, and click signing. So if for any reason you've forgotten your password, you can click here and you should be taken to a screen where you can input your email address, and they should of course send you a recovery email where you can reset your password. Now if for any reason you're locked out, or you don't have an idea of what your email is or your password is, or for some reason you just can't seem to get logged into your account despite the fact that you have all the necessary details, now by the right corner right here there is this live chat section where you can input your name, your last name, an email, and of course the subject. Now that works. The live chat will be initiated where you can drop your complaints, and well, yeah, that's it for this video. Although many people have been having issues with their logins in the past, this is the most straightforward way to go about it. So all you have to do is go to home.kaplanlearn.com/login, or you can do a Google search. You will see a couple of links, and well, just look for the one that says home.kaplanlearn.com, and well, yeah, that's it. And if you're having issues with anything that pertains to your logging, you can of course start a live chat right here. All you have to do is input your name, your last name, email, and of course a subject, and starts your chat. With that said, that is the end of this video. If this video gave you some insight on how to go about logging into your Kaplan account in 2024, then of course you can leave a like on the video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in another video.